Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can get real-time live translation during a call on the Samsung Galaxy S24, the S24 Plus or Ultra. So first I'm going to end this call and go back to my home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. In here we go down, then tap on Advanced Features, then tap on Advanced Intelligence. From here, tap on Phone, then tap on Live Translate. Make sure it is turned on, so tap on the toggle button to switch on. If you switch this on for the first time, you will have the chance to choose a language, and if you have already turned it on before, you can go down, and in here you can tap on language and select a language. So here are the two language pack I have downloaded. You can download more languages if you want. So here I can download Italian, Japanese, Korean. So you can just download all those language pack. Once it has downloaded, it will become available for you to use. So at the moment I have two language pack already installed on my device. So I can go down to Advanced Features, and in Advanced Intelligence you can go into here and then you can set the voice. So you can choose a voice.
This is what it sounds like when you're translating.
You can change the voice speech rate as well. And you can also choose to mute the other person's voice, so you will only hear a translation of what the other person says, but they cannot hear your translation. So you can turn it on or off as required. And here you can choose language and voice preset for each person. So for each person, you can choose each different language. So for example, this one here, I got set to Vietnamese for that person. For another contact, I can set a different language. So I can tap on add language, and then it's still downloading now. But so once it has downloaded, you can set the other person to use another language. And that's it. So now once you have turned on live translate, we can then turn on live translate when you receive an incoming call or when you place a call. So here I will call myself. So I've got an incoming call. Now I can tap on call assist, and it says live translate converts what you in your call say into each other's language. You can tap on live translate now if you want, and then that will pick up the call. Okay, so the call has been picked up, and you can see here when I talking to the phone, it will automatically translate. You can see here when I talk into the phone, it will automatically translate to the other person. And that's it. And if the other person speaks, then it will translate to this phone here. Hello, bạn khỏe không? Bạn khỏe không? And there it is. And as you can hear, when I speak in another language, it will automatically convert that language back to English on this phone here. And that is live translation during a call on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.